家请坐。
Welcome to the Hawaii Chinese Association Year of the Rabbit Banquet.
非常荣幸，非常感谢大家来到夏威夷华人协会兔年的迎新晚会。
Okay, at this time, let's have some welcome remarks from our mayor, Mayor Rick Langiardi.
有请我们的市长大人为大家致开幕词，谢谢您。
All right. Well, good evening and aloha. I'm not making any speech tonight. I came here simply to join in the joyous occasion. I wanted to wish the Chinese Hawaii Association and also all of you a very, very happy New Year. Pungi Fa Choi. I'm here tonight, Councilman. You're going to probably come up here, right? Okay. Okay. All right. Look, we have all been through an incredible 3-year period. Hopefully it's behind us. I can feel the joy in this room. I know this is the first time in 3 years I wanted to be here. Unfortunately, I signed up for this, but I have to leave to go to the Hilton Hawaiian Village to crown the Narcissus Queen. But please know I would love to be here. You're a great group. We're going to have a lot of fun. I can tell you this. I promise you, our commitment to not only Chinatown, but to the Chinese community runs very deep and is very sincere. My wife, who's not here, Karen Chang, born in Beijing, grew up in Taiwan, is a constant reminder of that. So for nothing else, I offer you that insurance policy, that anything I say, we mean most sincerely, and I'm very proud of what we've gotten done so far. But I just leave you with this, the best is yet to come. Happy New Year, Pungi Fa Choi. Thank you for having me here.
At this point in time, we're going to have our officers' installation. Starting off with our President, Angie Shiroma, First Vice President, Monique, Second Vice President, Tom Chua, Treasurer, Jerry Xiao Chua, Secretary, Na Lan, Advisor, Vanessa Kopp, Director, Heidi Chan, Billy Chow, Yimi Lam, Amy Kang, Ginger Niebuhr, Mickey Mahoki, Lucy Shen. Please come up.
下面呢是我们夏威夷华人联谊会的这个董事成员以及我们的负责人们由我们法官大人 Paul Nakamura 来为大家Murakami 来为大家进行就职宣誓仪式，请负责的人都上台。
Good evening. I'm Judge Paul Murakami of the Family Court. Ordinarily, I would swear each of you individually, but I think everybody wants to eat, so we're going to do it all at the same time. So I'm going to ask you to repeat after me. When I say state your name, state your name. When I say state your office, state your respective office. All right? So with that, please all raise your right hands, face the audience, and repeat after me. I, state your name, do solemnly swear and affirm that I will faithfully and diligently fulfill the duties and responsibilities as, state your office, of the Hawaii Chinese Association to the best of my abilities, consistent with the bylaws and governing documents of the Hawaii Chinese Association. Thank you. Please lower your hands. Pursuant to the authority afforded me for this specific purpose, I hereby pronounce you duly installed as officers and directors of the Hawaii Chinese Association for 2023. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, everyone. You know, the mayor was here earlier, and I know there are a number of other events, but I wanted to make sure that on behalf of the city and county that we acknowledge the Hawaii Chinese Association and their next set of board members. They have a task before them to continue promoting the Chinese culture here in Hawaii, and continuing to celebrate all of the different events that come our way. And so I have a certificate signed by all 9 of the City Council members recognizing the Hawaii Chinese Association on the occasion of their 2023 Spring Banquet and new officer installation. And it states, be it resolved that the Honolulu City Council, on behalf of the people of the City and County of Honolulu, congratulates the Hawaii Chinese Association on being established for over a quarter of a century, commends the organizers of the 2023 Spring Banquet, and salutes their new officers as they embark on the upcoming term. And furthermore, the Council extends its best wishes for continued success to the Hawaii Chinese Association in all their future endeavors. And so I have this certificate to present, and I have individual certificates for all the board members.
And I'm the president of the Hawaii Chinese Association. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming tonight. On behalf of the Hawaii Chinese Association board, I'd like to send you my warm, heartfelt thank you. And everybody for taking this time to spend your evening celebrating Chinese New Year with us. Okay, first, I'd like to recognize some special people in the audience tonight. I'd like to thank Mayor Blangiardi for coming to help us with the opening ceremony. I'd also like to thank Judge Paul Murakami for installing the officers. I'd also like to thank City Councilman Tyson Santos, right there on the third table. Also the presidents and leaders from the various non-profits and societies that have come to celebrate this occasion with us. We have over 15 of them that are here, the presidents and of the societies and non-profits. I hope you get a chance to meet them. Next, I also like to thank my event chair, Vanessa Kopp. She was the one with the lucky draw, for organizing this whole thing, as well as my co-chair, Jerry Xiao Chua. She's right over there, she's so busy. Wait. Yes, and Amy Pang. She is the one coordinating all the dances, so just like to thank my co-chair. That's Vanessa there. Okay. Also the backstage manager, the one who makes the face look so beautiful, Heidi Chan. She's also right there. Yeah. Karaoke chair, Louisa Lau. There, just over there. Give her a round of applause. I like, and I hope everybody's enjoying the lucky draw. I'd like to thank all the sponsors for this event and for everyone who has contributing to this success in one way or the other. Okay, but last and not least, I'd like to thank my family, my husband Randall, sitting over there at table 3. That's my husband. Look, he's so shy. That's him. Wave. Yeah. And then my son and my daughter, my son Mark and my daughter Nicole. Yeah. you know, I'd just like to thank them for supporting me, you know, throughout this whole process. Anyway, we're so happy to be gathered here today to usher in the Year of the Rabbit. In the Chinese culture, the rabbit is a symbol of longevity, peace, abundance, and it also symbolizes luck. So this is going to be a lucky year. So thus, I'd like to wish all of you here good health, joy, happiness, you know, and prosperity. Okay? So, before I end, I just like to know, who knows what day of the Chinese New Year is today? Yeah, is there a significance to that? Louis, yeah. So, in the Chinese culture, today is the day that is everybody's birthday. So we're very fortunate that everybody's here celebrating their birthday with us. So have fun. Yeah, our community has arranged a very fun and enjoyable evening. We've already had a sample of some of the entertainment, but we'll have lots more. We'll have lots of dancing and a lot of lucky draw prizes. So it's really good. So I just want to say, sit back, enjoy yourselves, relax, let your hair down, kick back, have fun. So, 新年快乐。